Fairytale. Once upon a time, with my sword and my shield, I took the battlefields, through the oceans, climbed all mountains, defeating all kind of dragons, all kind of dangers. 'Cause our love is too strong, heaven's down from above. Baby, our love is like a fairy tale. Baby, our love comes with 9 horses and cards, a pretty rainbow in the sky, castles on the hillside, a princess dressed in red, fresh way to make fairy bread. Our love is like a fairy tale.
I found a princess, now my life is a fairy tale, and I'ma make sure that I love her very well. And on my heavy schedule, I still got time to feel your sweet sounds and pretty visuals. You're very special, and for you I face dangers on any and every level. I fought in the duels, got lost in the woods, and while crossing the bridge I fell and dropped in the pit. I did all this, no I'm not being dishonest. I wanna kiss your lips, you can call me Prince Charming. I'll come to your rescue from your evil sisters and present you matching glass, see-through slippers. You know you can call for your hero, and if ever you fall, I'll make sure your head falls on the pillow. In the depths of our castle, filled with leisure and laughter, and the story always ends happily ever after.
Baby, our love comes with 9 horses